the case which is yet to be adjudicated upon or considered by the arbitral tribunal. Stop. Thus, no such order for deposit by way of an interim measure on applications under section 17 of the Arbitration Act could have been passed by the tribunal. Stop. In view of the above and for the reasons stated above, the present appeal succeeds in part. Stop. The order passed by the arbitral tribunal passed in applications under section 17 of the Arbitration Act directing the appellant to deposit the entire rental amount for the period between March 2020 to December 2021 confirmed by the High Court by the impugned judgment and order, and it is directed that the appellant to deposit the entire rental amount for the period other than the period during which there was complete lockdown, that is for the time period between 22/3 to 2020 to 9/9/2020 and for the period between 19/4/2021 to 28/6/2021. Stop. He further relies upon the judgment of Honorable Apex Court in the state of Andhra Pradesh versus National Thermal Power Corporation Limited to submit and clarify as to what is the electricity and the relevant extract from the said judgment are as under. Stop. If there can be sale and purchase of electrical energy like any other movable object, this court held there was no difficulty in holding that electric energy was intended to be covered by the definition of goods. Stop. However, the three-judge bench of this court went on to observe that electric energy can be transmitted, transferred, delivered, stored, possessed in the same way as any other movable property. Stop. In this observation, we agree with the learned counsel for the appellant that on all other characteristics of electric energy except that it can be stored, and to the extent that electric energy can be stored, the observation must be held to be erroneous or by oversight. Stop. Science and technology till this day have not been able to evolve any methodology by which electric energy can be preserved or stored. Stop. It is true that from the place of generating electricity, the electricity is supplied to the substation installed at the units of the consumers through electrical high tension transformers, and from their electricity is supplied to the meter. Stop. But the moment electricity is supplied through the meter, consumption and sale simultaneously take place as soon as electrical energy is